I'm at my local nursery buying nuts for the squirrels. They sell them in bulk, but look at this. Santa's magic key. You know, if you don't have, I grew up in a home without a fireplace, and every Christmas Eve my dad would take the front door and leave it open. He'd show me he's leaving it open for Santa. Dear Santa Claus, we're all excited. It's the night before Christmas. This special key is being left just for you. You can shimmy down the chimney or sneak quietly through the door. There will be milk and cookies waiting for you. Merry Christmas. Isn't this the cutest thing? Oh my gosh. I can't even stand it. Look at letters. This nursery, I'm sure many nurseries, you know, real life nurseries are just incredible at Christmas time, but they're having an open house next Friday. I cannot wait because they have great little cookies and music and giveaways. And so they just started putting everything out. But, oh, this just puts you so in the spirit. Oh, are these beautiful? Ooh. Oh, I think they light up and the glitter goes, let's see, it's off. I don't know if it'll turn on. No, I think you have to have a battery or something. What a clever idea is that? And then putting a big ornament at the top. What a clever idea. Oh my gosh. A moose. Oh. I think I might actually be excited about Christmas this year. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. I came to buy my squirrels some peanuts and I don't know what I'm going to end up. Oh, red. Look at this. Just a red tree. And all those Santas. I know cardinals are big at Christmas. I'm not into cardinals. Never have been. Oh, but if you are, look at this. Is that beautiful? I know it lights up. And look at that. How clever. Well, these two are actually kind of cute. I don't know what this is, but it's lovely. Is it to put a candle or just a little wreath? Oh, that's just pretty. Look at all these Santas. Wait, I have to show you my favorite as soon as I walked in. I'm almost there. Look at that, just, oh gosh, look at this. 50. Oh my gosh, is it beautiful? Oh, look at this one, 75. Okay, I would pay, yes, I would pay 75 for this one. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. But let me show you my, oh, doesn't this just put you in the mood? A white tree. Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful tree. It's white. But look at these two. I think I have to buy them. Look at this. I used to have a snowman collection. As a matter of fact, our local library put it on display. It was quite a collection. But these two are so cute. Look at this little guy. Oh my gosh. And here with the floppy hat. Oh, and this is, look at this, is kind of pretty, even for a background for Facebook.
So I have 3 of those.
Yeah, we're good.
They're outside, right on that.
All right. Sherry, go on lunch.
My favorite ever, all time, all the way candle brand is 1803, and their wax melts are to die for. Oh, they all, especially their Christmas scents, unbelievable. Oh, look at the little polar bear family. I cannot believe I'm doing this in public. Look at these cool. Oh, baby's first Christmas. Look at this. Hello. Can we just stop and say hello? Lipstick, nail polish. Look at that hand. Oh my goodness gracious. Like you name it. A semi. A semi. Oh my goodness. I don't even know. Okay, I just want to say if somebody gave this to me, I'd scratch their eyes out. I'm just saying, for the record, yeah. If you know a bingo player, I can't even believe how cute these things are. I just haven't been into Christmas for a few years, and now, like everything. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh. Oh. All right, if I find an English bulldog, you know it's mine. These are just beyond. They're just beyond. I'm sure you all. Oh, for the football players. Oh, look at this. Oh, I don't know why they have Oregon here, but they do. Oklahoma and Alaska. Oh, imagine if they have all the... Oh, looking for a ranger. I can't. Oh, wait for the animals. Look out. Come to mama. Okay, I find this rather impossible that they don't have an English bulldog. Well, maybe they're not done putting everything. Oh, go Bears. How pretty. Anyway, I really do have to go buy the lavender moon soap. Gosh, you know how I am about a lavender. Or maybe you aren't. Love it. Still, I like my Yardley better, but that was good. One thing that's just prettier than the next. Look at this. Oh, my gosh. These ornaments. I'm here to feed my squirrels. Oh, no, that's a skunk. Is that a squirrel or a skunk? I think that's a skunk. Okay, never mind. Oh, here's a squirrel. All right. Merry Christmas early. I don't think I went in here. Did I come in this section? Oh, my Lord. In my bathroom or something. I have these somewhere in my life in some box. Packed. Oh, whoa. Are these really? Oh, and heavy? Wow. Oh, that's a nice color rather than white. It's kind of like a champagne-y pure. Pretty. Very pretty. Oh, and this is lit up. See, there's those fairy lights in there. It's just got to be beautiful. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this little tour of... I cannot wait for Friday when they're actually... Oh, penguin. You know, you hardly ever see penguins. Heavens to Betsy. Too cute. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, just one more thing. Sorry. I don't know if it's a lot. No, it's a reindeer with a beard. I have no idea. I have quite a few of them. Or is that what they grow for to keep warm? Oh, the city girl knows nothing. Bye.